Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the EuroFit barrier. First thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is connect together the base of our display. So the pieces that will connect to our feet are the 90-degree angle pieces, and the piece that is not labeled with a number is what will connect to the foot. So we want to connect our two 90-degree pieces together before connecting to the feet. So using the numbers on the piece and the numbers on our poles, we're just going to use the snap buttons to secure into place. So I'm just going to match the numbers and then using the push button secure into place. Now that I have my base put together, I'm going to connect it to the feet. So you're just going to align the pole to the feet and then using the snap button secure into place. Now that I have my base put together, I'm just going to move it off to the side and connect the remaining portion of my display together. So using the same method that we use for the base, we're just going to connect the poles together using the snap button and by matching the numbers. So I'm just going to continue to put together my display. Now that I have my hardware put together, I'm ready to attach it to my base. So matching the numbers, I'm just going to slide the poles in and using the snap button secure into place. Now that I have my hardware put together, I'm ready to slide on the graphic. The graphic is super easy to install. It just slides on like a pillowcase. So I'm just going to slide on my graphic. And it's just that easy to set up your EuroFit barrier.